Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Kokom Kamalasari from Physics Education. I will to explain about my research with the title Analysis of Critical Thinking Skills and Student Cognitive on Work and Energy Topic with ICARE model. The first introduction, the second is method, the third result and discussion, and the last conclusion. Introduction, basic learning is emphasized by using a scientific approach to build student knowledge and understanding of scientific products through scientific activity steps. One of which competency develop are curiosity, honesty, responsibility, logical, critical, analytical, and creativity attitudes through learning physics. After studying physics, students are expected not only to have cognitive ability but also to have higher order thinking skill, such as critical thinking skill. Labertus 2009, learning given to students is possible to train and develop critical thinking skill. ICARE model is a model that uses a constructivist approach and the teacher becomes a facilitator. Method. The research was conducted by using experimental method or pre-experiment. The research design used was one group pre-test post-test. The sample of this research is class 10 in private high school which was selected using purposive sampling method, and then the instrument used in this research is a critical thinking ability test according to Ennis, and then the data analysis technique is calculated based on the normalized eigenvalue value. Result and discussion, we can see that in every aspect of critical thinking skill, the every percentage of student critical thinking abilities is 35.41%. We can interpretation that this student critical thinking skill still need to be improved. Critical thinking skill aspect 1 give a basic explanation. Some students could answer correctly with the percentage of students who could answer correctly in this aspect was 36.80%. Critical thinking aspect 2, building basic skill. The ability to build student basic skill also still need to be developed because the percentage student who master this aspect is 40.80%. Critical thinking aspect 3, inference. In this aspect, the ability of student in inference is still low. Namely, only 32% of students who are able to master this aspect. Critical thinking aspect 4, advanced clarification. Of the 5 aspects of critical thinking skill, the aspect that has the lowest score in this aspect of making further explanation. Only 7 out of 26, 25 students call answer the question above. This show that the aspect of making further explanation is still low. And the last, critical thinking aspect 5, strategy and tactic. The ability of students to master this aspect is also not more than 50%, which is only 36.80%. Therefore, teacher must be able to develop student strategy and tactical ability. As for the cognitive abilities of students in the table as follows, based on the calculation that have been carried on in the study, it shows that the cognitive ability of students with a total of 25 students are in the medium category, where this is due to difference between before being given treatment and after being given treatment using the ICARE learning model. After being given treatment using the ICARE learning model, students' cognitive ability becomes better is 81.08 compared it to student cognitive ability before using the ICARE learning model is 35.6. the last conclusion, based on the result of the research that has been done, student critical thinking are still relatively low, with the percentage for each aspect of the critical thinking providing basic explanation, 36.80%, building basic skill, 40.80%, inference 32%, making further explanation 30.67%, and strategy and tactic 36.80%. The average percentage of student critical thinking skill is 35.41%. The result of this today provide an overview of critical thinking skill that still need to be trained in learning. Teacher must start thinking creatively and critically in order to make learning design that can train student critical thinking skill for future research. Further action shall be taken regarding the test result of critical thinking skill through interview with several students as a form of rechecking the test result. Okay, thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.